Industrial security. Who shall be responsible for the entire operation and administration management of the security agency that is directly responsible to the agency operator or board of directors? A. Administration manager. B. Security manager. C. Operation manager. D. Detachment manager. So the answer is B. Security manager because manager is identify and protect company assets through the development and implementation of security protocols. Number two, if access is limited only to the authorized particular place is referred to as A. Compromised area, B. Exclusive area, C. Danger area, D. Restricted area. So the answer is D, because area is an area which unauthorized people are not allowed to enter. Restricted area, occupational safety, an area that access to which is strictly limited to the essential personnel which purpose of protecting individuals against undue risk from exposure to various materials. Number three, the mechanical, electric, electrical, hydraulic, or electronic device designed to prevent entry into the building. Number A. Locks. B. Lightings. C. Key. D. Lamps. So the answer is locks. Because locks, it uses some sort of arrangement of internal physical barrier or wards tumblers which prevent the lock from operating unless they are properly aligned. The key is device used to align these internal barriers so the lock may be operated. Number 4. It refers to the natural person who offers or renders personal service to watch or guard the residential or business premises or both government building establishment and their premises for hire and compensation. A. Private detective. B. Security officer. C. Investigator. D. Watchman. So the answer is B. Security officer. A security officer or security guard is responsible for deterring criminal activity by adhering to the facility security measures. 5. The standby lighting, which can be utilized in the event of electric failure, either due to local equipment or commercial power failure. A. Standby lighting. B. Emergency lighting. C. Movable lighting. D. Stationary luminary lighting. So the answer is V. B. The answer is B. Emergency lighting. Because emergency lighting is a lighting for an emergency situation when the main power supply is cut and normal electrical illumination fails. The loss of mains electricity could be result for fire or power cut. Without emergency lighting, this could be lead to sudden darkness and possible danger to occupants either through physical danger or panic. 6. It refers to the combination of compatible intrusion and detection device so arranged and wired as to support one another which alert employees of the installation that this intruder has illegally entered a restricted area. So the choices is A. Alarm. B. Lighting. C. Barriers. D. Locks. So the answer is alarm, of course. Alarm is a security system designed to detect intrusion such as unauthorized entry into a building or other areas such as home or school. Security alarm use is in residential, commercial, industrial, and military properties protect against burglary or thief property damage, as well as personal protection against intruders. 7. The numbers of people authorized to enter this area should be strictly limited and the area should be under surveillance at all times. So the choices is A. Controlled area, B. Limited area, C. Exclusive area, D. Restricted area. So the answer is D. Restricted area. Restricted area is an area from which military personnel are excluded for reasons of security or safety unless specially authorized. An off-limits area view full of content. Number 8. Number 8. An industrial complex must establish its first line of physical defense. It must have a perimeter. B. Security. C. Communication security. D. Private detection. So the answer is security. Security is a protection from or solution against potential harm or the unwanted conceived change caused by others by restraining the freedom of others to act. Number 9. It is natural or man-made structure or physical device which capable of restricting, deterring, or delaying illegal entry to an installation. A. Barrier. B. Security. C. Communication security. D. Private detective. So the answer is barrier. Barriers can be defined as any physical structure which, whether natural or man-made, capable of restricting, deterring, delaying, or preventing illegal and unauthorized access to an installation. Number 10. Today, there are three categories of security guard belonging to the Blue Army as referred by the former President Fidel B. Ramos. One of those listed below does not belong to the group. Number A. Agency guard. B. Company guard. C. Bodyguard. D. Government security guard. So the answer is B. The answer is B. Because company guard is your source for all of your business compliance needs. We help keep business in good standing because this is critical protecting your personal assets. 11. Insecurity. This refers to the condition which may result in the compromise of information, loss of life, loss of destruction or of property, or disruption of the objectives of this installation. Choices: A. Crime. B. Disaster. C. Crisis. D. Hazard. So the answer is D. Hazard, because hazard is danger or risk. A risk, danger is thing likely to cause injury. Number 12. The first line of physical defense of the industrial complex, viewing it from the outside. A. Door locks and windows. B. Perimeter barriers. C. Entry point where security guard are located. D. The building itself. B. The answer is B. Perimeter barriers. Perimeter barriers, one of the line defense. 13. Protection of the classified documents matter concerning the preparation, classification, reproduction, handling, transmission, disposal, and destruction. A. Document security. B. Organizational security. C. Operational security. D. Physical security. So the answer is document security. Document security is a highly sophisticated service for document storage that requires a secure, safe facility. It provides individuals who have the expertise of handling, retrieving, and storing documents behalf of other business companies. 14. What is the system of natural man-made barriers placed between the potential intruder and the object, person, matter being protected? A. Document security. B. Organizational security. C. Operation security. D. Physical security. So the answer is physical security, because physical security describes security measures that are designed to deny unauthorized access to facilities, equipment, and resources, and to protect personal and property from damage or harm, such as episode, thief, or terrorist attack. 15. New employees should be briefed on security rules and regulation of the organization and the importance of observing them. This process is called A. Security Education Program. B. Organizational Security Program. C. B. Organizational Security. C. Operation Security. D. Physical Security. So the answer is A. Education Program, because Security Education Program is a training and awareness program that targets all users in an organization to help them become more aware of information and security principle as is appropriate for their jobs. 16. A person's suitability to give a security clearance is determined through a process called A. Security training. B. Security education. C. Security promotion. D. Security investigation. So the answer is A. Security training. Security guard training classes will also teach you to look and recognize sign of mental illness in people, substance abuse, and aggression. 17. This involves the security of plants and business and safeguarding of personal process, properties, and operation. A. Industrial security. B. Security. C. Communication security. D. Private detective. So the answer is A. Industrial security. Industrial security, industrial safety and security is a treatment or system which have objective to ensure the security of health to employees in a company venture supervisor development focus on safety that could include components such as management leadership as well as dedication security development and so on. 18. What should be undertaken by security officer who will prepare comprehensive security program for his industrial plant? A. Security survey. B. Security. C. Communication security. D. Private security. So the answer is B. Plans can be changed to meet future requirements which were not considered during the planning stage. 19. The type of key that will open everything in the system involving two or more master key groups. A. Change key. B. Master key. C. Sub key. D. Grandmaster key. So the answer is obviously D. Grandmaster key. A Grandmaster key or GM key is a master key system that uses three or more keying levels to control access to a property or multiple properties. 20. It is a natural or man-made structure or physical device which is capable of restricting, deterring, or delaying illegal entry and installation. The answer is A. Barrier. Barrier can be defined as physical structure which is natural or man-made, capable of restricting, detailing, delaying, or preventing illegal and unauthorized access on installation. 21. Alarm system devices are usually placed in a teller's top cash drawer and connected to the alarm system using wire connector. A. Belt traps. B. Vibration detection device. C. Foot rail activation. D. Microwave device. So the answer is A. The belt traps has been specifically designed for use inside cash drawer. Belt traps are inserted between the lever and the base plate. Once the bills are removed, contract is made creating an alarm condition. 22. It's known in industrial security managed as weakest link in a security barrier. A. Barrier. B. Personnel. C. Communication security. D. Manager. The answer is B. Anyone with access to a part of the personnel. Anyone with access to part of the system physically or electronically is potential security risk. Security is about trust, and trust is generally considered the weakest link in the security chain. 23. Perimeter perimeter should be locked and frequently inspected by guard. Lock should be changed from time to time. A. Gates and door. B. Utilities opening. C. Sidewalk. C. ID. Clear zone. So the answer is A. Gates and door. One of the most important consideration in terms of perimeter security are the locks you are using. We will get little more into this in gate section, but right now I want to talk about what to look on the local in general. 24. Difficult to defeat. Since they cannot be picked by few experts, can you manipulate the device as to discover the combination? A. Warded locks. B. Level locks. C. Distamble locks. D. Combination locks. So the answer is B. Level locks. The level locks works by essentially placing the inner working of your existing deadbolt, excluding the bolt itself. The electronics for communication with your phone or a Bluetooth radio, and the motor necessary to push all bolt open and close in the between sit in the between the existing keyhole on the outside of the door lever on the inside. 25. A portable detachable lock having or sliding hubs which passes through staple ring. A. Padlock. B. Lighting. C. Keys. D. Lamps. The answer is padlock. Padlocks are portable locks with a shackle that may be passed through an opening such as chain, links, or half staple to prevent use, theft, vandalism, or harm. 16. It is the other rules known as the Private Security Agency Law of 1869. A. RA 4587, B. RA 8754, C. RA 5487, D. RA 5874. The answer is A. Republic Act 5487, otherwise known as the Private Security Agency Law, was enacted making the Philippines constabulary as the sole authority to provide administrative service and general supervision over the management and operation of all organized private security. 27. A house which constructed above the perimeter barriers. A. Guard control station. B. Tower. C. Barrier maintenance. D. Protective alarm. The answer is A. Guard control station. Guard ground control station is the base on the land facility OLF, which provides human operators with the necessary capabilities to control, monitor UAVs during their operation from a distance. 28 is a natural person, not a member of regular police force or the AFP who does detective work for higher rewards commission. A. Private detective. B. Private security guard. C. The security. D. Security supervisor. So the answer is A. A private detective is someone who delves into things, find facts, and analyze information about legal, financial, and personal matters. 29. It corporate and executive responsibility. It involves knowing the objective of security and the means of the method to reach this objective or goal must then involve. Security planning. Security planning refers to the security initiatives that will improve the security posture of your organization at some point in the future. 30. It is the process of conducting an exhaustive physical examination throughout the inspection of the operation, system, and procedure of facility. A. Security survey. B. Security planning. C. Security inspection. D. Security guard force. C. The answer is C. Security inspection. Security inspection, a controlling intelligence function, complete or limited check of the security policies of an organization. 31. It is the process of conducting physical examination to determine compliance with establishment security policies and procedure as the result of the security survey. A. The security inspection. B. Security planning. C. Security survey. D. Security education. So now the answer is C. Security survey. Security survey is the process of conducting the exhaustive physical examination and thorough inspection of all operational system and the procedures of a facility. Purpose of security survey is to determine the existing state of the security to local weakness in defense to determine the recommendation establishment of total security program. 32. A system in which the alarm signals are relayed to a remote panel located to the facilities of private or protection service company manned by its personnel. A. Central station system. B. Property system. C. Local alarm system. D. Auxiliary system. So the answer is A. Central station system. Central station system means a system or group system usually operated for customer by person in which the signals and the message automatically protection device and alarm system are transmitted, recorded, and supervised from a location which has trained operators and guards on duty on all times who shall take appropriate action upon receipt of the signal or message, including the relaying of message to the police department. 33. It's the sum of total protection and encompassing the entire security spectrum designed to eliminate, reduce, or control threats, hazard, risk, or dangers to company asset. A. Asset protection program. B. Security program. C. Security education. D. Security inspection. The answer is asset protective program A. Asset protection consists of method available to protect assets from liabilities arising elsewhere. It should be not be confused with limiting liability, which concern the ability to stop or constrain liability to asset or activity from which it arises. 34. Added protection of important vitals, plans, data, special and correspondence, cash, and other essential documents such as vault, safe, and file room. A. Security cabinet. B. Security alarm system. C. Security alarm. D. Security means. So the answer is obviously A. Security cabinet. A cabinet security is an inactive security, often a bond that is listed on exchange. How does the cabinet security work? Before the advent of computers, it was necessary to move physical and evidence of the security and orders. 35. Combination of compatible intrusion and detection device so arranged and wired as to support one another. A. Security alarm system, security cabinet, security lighting. D. Security energized barrier. So the answer is A. Security alarm is a system designed to detect intrusions such as unauthorized entry in building or other areas such as home or school. 36. The providing of sufficient illumination the area during hours of darkness to ensure visibility and to act as deterrent to the intruders. A. Security cabinet. B. Security alarm system. C. Security lightning. D. Security guard force. So the answer is so obvious. C. Security lightning. Security lighting is a field of physical security. Security lighting is a lighting that intended to detect intrusion or other criminal activity occurring on the property or site. 37. What is the check of made on an individual usually seeking employment through a subject records in the police files, education, place of resident, and formal information? A. Applicant investigation. B. Credit investigation. C. Background investigation. D. Criminal investigation. So the answer is A. Applicant investigation. Applicant investigation technique is law enforcement intended as a guide for police and administrators and other individuals responsible for investigating the background of a police job applicants. This text analyzes the main elements of the applicant's evolution. 38. The last number. A system used in a big installation where keys can be opened of groups of locks. This is the possible by use of the interchangeable cylinder cores in the locks. A. Master key system. B. Key control. C. Key system. D. Security key system. The answer is A. Master key system. A master key system refers a group of blocks and key operate them which related hierarchy, which one key is the top, which will fit into large number of blocks, and a large number of keys at the bottom which may only fit into one lock. That's all. Thank you.